What's up guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today we're going to have our review of the B57 Smartwatch. Let's go! So welcome back to my channel. So this is Josh Chick here, and okay, so today we're just going to have a quick review of the B57 that I purchased from Shopee. Okay, let's start with the good point. So the good point, it's really look like an iWatch, and at the back, so it has the sensor here. If you really want like a fashionable watch that you can use without having to spend lots of bucks, then I can say that B57 is one of the best for its price. Like I only got it for around 800 pesos, so that's around 18 or $16 if I'm not mistaken. And another thing here is the menu option here. As you can see here, it's really responsive. Okay, and I think the heart rate and the O2 and the blood pressure, I think it's quite reliable than the other previous smartwatch that I got. So if you want to have this one for your health, then you might as well use this one. Okay, the battery, it can actually last you for around 2 days of use without syncing it to your smartphone. But if you're gonna sync it to your smartphone, guys, maybe you just gonna use it only for 1 day. It has also the water resistant ability, so I tried to use it while washing my hands and I don't have any problem, unlike the other smartwatch that I used. Okay, now let's have here the negative. The negative here, guys, is just the brightness. I don't know if it's just with my smartwatch, but the brightness is so dim. And when I go outside, even if I turn the brightness to its maximum, but it still suffers if I try to use it even indoors. So that gives me a quite stress there. And especially when you try to go outside and if you use it, oh my god, I think you really have to cover it so that you can see the time. And my opinion, guys, if you want a fashionable smartwatch with a decent feature, then it's really good, but I don't really recommend it to people who wants to stay outdoors most of the times, like maybe traveling or running or doing something, because I'm sure you will be disappointed. Okay, so guys, that's all for my review, and if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. Right, so this has been Josh and I'll see you soon.